Hi Trish, thanks for coming in. I wanted to ask you if you will share your experience that you've had here at Willow Medical Spa.
Well, I've been coming to Willow for about 9 months now. I've had a handful of different procedures done. I love coming in. I like the staff. I like the facility. I especially love the permanent hair removal. That's my favorite.
Great. How important is it to you to have female technicians or providers that take care of you during your healthcare procedures or your elective procedures?
It's very important. I believe that I am completely in a safe environment. I can be completely comfortable. When you're laying there with missing clothing, it's very nice to know that you have someone that you trust in the room with you that can answer the questions that you may have. They can explain the procedures, and some of them have had it done, so they understand what you're going through.
Well, thank you for sharing that information. If you were to describe the best thing about Willow Medical Spa, what would it be?
Well, the best thing actually overall is the people. I really enjoy the people. I've considered them friends. It's an easy conversation to have when you call them. You can call in and say, hey, it's Trish, I need to come in for this or that, and they know exactly who you are. They know what type of appointments you need to have. They know just overall what your needs are, and so that would be my favorite part of Willow.
Well, thank you. If somebody was looking for a gynecologist or a medical aesthetic professional for some hair removal, how would you recommend Willow Medical Spa to your friend?
I have recommended Willow Medical Spa to multiple friends. I've had, I can think of 3 different people that I've had come in here and have a variety of different experiences and procedures done, and they've all left very happy, and they've all came back multiple times.
Great. Tell me a little bit about how the experience at Willow Medical Spa is different from other healthcare providers or other aesthetic procedures you've had in the past.
Well, I would say it's more of a personalized touch that, I've had the full laser hair removal done, and I've also had the Vaser lipo style procedure done, and it's just such a comfortable experience. When you come in, you are in a very comfortable environment. It's safe, it's clean, it's very sterile for cleanliness, which you want when you're having a procedure done. And overall, I couldn't imagine going anywhere else. I think Dr. McCorkle is great. She's got an amazing sense of humor that makes you laugh and smile and feel completely comfortable and at home. And for me, that's important. I want to go in and have somebody be ready at my scheduled appointment. I'm very busy. I squeeze my appointments in any given minute that I possibly have. You never have to wait. You can call and get a reasonable appointment. You come in, you walk in, hi Trish, you go back, you're taken care of, you're in and out. It's great.
Well, thank you. How would you describe Dr. McCorkle to experiences that you've had with other physicians?
I would say Dr. McCorkle takes the time to spend with you and asks viable questions and wants to make sure that she has a full understanding of what your needs are and what your wants are and what your ultimate outcome is. She wants to know that anything that she's going to do for you is the right thing for you. It's a good idea for you to move along in those paths. You may not, you could come in and want something done that's not a reasonable process, and she'd tell you up front that she doesn't think that's a good idea. But she is great. She's very well rounded. She has, she's super sympathetic and can sit and listen to you talk. I think that's very important. A lot of times you go to doctors and they walk in really quickly and they have 2 seconds to listen to what you have to say, and then they're out the door and their nurse comes in. Not here. She sits and talks to you the entire time, and you can explain it, and she spends all the time with you.
Well, thank you very much, Trish. I appreciate you coming in and sharing your experience with us here at Willow Medical Spa.